Hey, how you feeling now, mate?
Oh,
It's taken 1.5 years, hey?
I just can't believe it.
You can't believe it?
Thank you for
Oh,
everything.
mate, you've got to believe it, don't you? So you just started your lessons and training with us here, did you?
Yeah.
Excellent. Would you like to share with the other students looking for a driving school what you found or some feedback?
Yes, please come to Carmen. He's really good instructor. You won't be able to find anyone in here like him.
You're a good man. You enjoyed your...
Thank you, Carmen,
You're
for
gonna,
everything.
you're going to miss me
I
now.
learned a lot of things. Yes, definitely, I'm gonna miss you.
Well, good luck to you for your family and your career here.
Thank you very much, Carmen.
And,
I really appreciate all the lesson you gave me.
I know
Really, I'm really happy.
You've been great. You've been great. And good luck with your baby that's coming soon with your wife.
Thank you so much.
And then we'll see your wife after that, will we?
Sure.
Good, good. All the best, MD.
Thank you very much, Carmen. Thank
Cheers,
you.
mate. Bye.
Bye.